guys, good morning everyone. If you want to be healthy and diminish your bloated tummy, just try to have this. This one is called cassava, but in Malaysia they call it ubi kayu. Am I correct? Ubi kayu. In Philippine apa to? Ay, sudah lupa. Kamuting kahoy in Cebuano, balanghoy. so many names. Then of course banana, ripe banana. I will just boil this one with of course 2 cups of water. Then of course while it's boiling, I will put sugar, 2 spoons of sugar. Then of course if it is cooked this one already later, then I will put coconut milk. We called it binignet or minatamis na kasaba at saging. This is very nice dessert or as your meals, guys. Healthy. Alam niyo ba healthy ang mga root crops for our body? Even the Japanese people, they used to have root crops. Then including banana. Because ang banana, maraming benefits. Merong potassium. At saka of course, protein. May protein. Ito guys, nakakapag-diminish ng bloated talaga. Cassava is very helpful. That's why a lot of ancestors healthy sila because they are already know how to take good care of their body. So yun lang guys, ang dami kong sinasabi. Lagyan ko na nga ng sugar. 1, 2. Yan. Then lagyan ko ng 2 cups of water. Then boiled it for 10 minutes. Good. Big mug of water. So let's see it later for coconut milk. Let's see. Oh, I think it's cooking already. So ready. Yan. So luto na siya guys. The cassava is cooked already. And of course, the banana is cooked already. So, it's time to put this coconut milk. I put sugar already. This one, so I need to let it boil first and taste it first. If perfect na ba siya. Basta. It's so delicious, this one. Cassava and banana. Ginataang cassava and banana. This is healthy merienda. Healthy meals. Kung nag-diet ka, gusto mong kumain ng ganito lang, it's alright. Dahil nakakabusog to, it will make you full and satisfied. So, wait for a while. 1 minute more. Yan guys, lumapot na siya. Lumapot na yung gata. Yummy. It's so delicious. Ang sarap nito guys kung meron kang 100 plus or Coca-Cola or juice, fruit shake juice. Then kain ka nito. So satisfying. At least today, craving satisfying. Dahil ito yung gusto ko. Sabi ko, I want to eat cassava. Ginataang cassava or banana. Ginataang saging. Mananapit. Lagyan natin ng 1 spoon of sugar. Pagkatapos ilagay yung 1 spoon of sugar, yung additional lang. Additional to taste. Tingnan natin. Ooh, so yummy. The pungent is very alluring, very delicious. Wow. Lumapot na yung gata, guys. So, pwede na itong hanguin. It's very, very fully cooked na. Yun, malapot at ito ay napakasarap. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh my God, perfection. Perfection. So, it's time to serve. Serve hot. Yummy. Umuin na natin. Yan. So hot. So, it's time to eat, guys. After works, because here, work is always priority. So, now only my time for eating. So, kain tayo, guys. And thank you for all your love and support. Yan. Yan yung pagkain ko. O, diba? Diba? Thank you. Salamat po sa inyong lahat, guys. Time to eat. Thank you. Please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you, guys. Bye. Have a blessed day.